In this video, we will see about in detail about blockchain scalability issue, how it is being caused, and how it can be rectified, etc. Let's go into our video. So, before going deep into our topic, we will just recall what are the advantages of using blockchain technology. Obviously, it is decentralized, so anyone can access from anywhere. It is secured compared to our traditional methodology, and the decentralization is also very secure. And security wise, protection against attacks and fraud are little high compared to our traditional methodology. Okay, fine. Even though we are having a lot of advantages, still blockchain has few disadvantages which need to be taken into consideration. So coming to main disadvantages is that blockchain scalability, which is a growing challenge when you are adopting blockchain. When the transaction volume is growing very high, then the security concern will also will taken into consideration, which obviously reduce the efficiency because of its volume. After that, due to decentralized issue, the scalability is being slightly, the impact is found in case of scalability, and the performance degradation is also there. We'll see what are the causes of blockchain scalability issues are validation process. After that, using of algorithms for verifying the transactions, ledger storage and network architecture. When you are coming to validation process, we have to go through multiple nodes. So multiple node validation is required, which requires more time and computation. And all the computations are need to be validated through algorithms, which is a time consumption one. After that, everything should be entered into the ledger, and the storage requirement will be very high in case of when the volume is going high. In order to give these specification, the network architecture, since it is decentralized, we need a very huge amount of hardware requirement. So these are the four main factors which leads to blockchain scalabilities are network propagation delay, block size limitation, and continuous mechanism, and block creation time. In case of network propagation delay, the time will be taken for the blocks to spread across multiple nodes. Since it is being decentralized, it has to travel more distance. When we are taking more distance to travel through network, then obviously delay will be there. In the fixed block size is restricted, so that the number of transactions per block will be restricted. If block size is unlimited, then there also delay will be there. After that, block creation, if new blocks need to be created, then obviously it will affect the network transaction speed. So how we can provide a solution for this blockchain scalability issues, that through two types. One is on-chain scalability solution, next one is off-chain scalability solution. On-chain scalability solution is something increasing the block size reliably, so that reducing the blockchain, and after that in off-chain scalability solution, we can give a state channel, side chains and roll up in order to increase the scalability and also reduce the blockchain time. So when in this diagram, we'll be facing the challenges in blockchain scalability solution. In previous thing, we have discussed how the solution can be provided for blockchain scalability, but few challenges will be there when we are providing those solutions. Those challenges are user adoption and trust, interoperability issues, increased protocol complexity, and security risk in layer 2. The user adoption and trust is nothing but lack of awareness to the user, so that the trust will be deflect. And interoperability issues is something like the cross-chain communication, which need to be standardized. Increased protocol complexity is that when we are going for more number of blockchain, then complex algorithms need to be used, which is very difficult for the implementation. Security risk will be there when we are going to smart contracts. In case of that, data integrity concerns also need to be taken into consideration. So the blockchain scalability, we have discussed what are the metrics. Metrics are throughput, latency, and storage. These are the problems which we are facing when you are going for scalabilities, which is done due to that we are facing blockchain limitation. Block creation time is very high. Consensus mechanism need to be implemented, which is very difficult. Network propagation delay is also there. In order to overcome these issues, we will be providing a scalability solution such as on-chain solution and off-chain solution. Hope in this video you would have understood how the blockchain scalability is affecting the performance, what are the causes, what are the challenges are there, and how it can be overcome. Thank you.